In this video, I'll show you how to create experiments in Google Ads so you can test changes safely and make better decisions based on real campaign data. Experiments allow advertisers to compare different strategies, such as bidding methods, ad variations, or targeting settings, without directly affecting the main campaign. To begin, sign in to your Google Ads account and click Campaigns from the left menu, then select Experiments to open the testing dashboard. This is where all your campaign experiments are created and managed. Next, click the plus icon to start a new experiment. You'll be asked to choose the type of experiment you want to run. A custom experiment is often used to test things like budgets, bidding strategies, or audiences, while ad variations are useful for testing changes in headlines, descriptions, or other creative elements. After selecting the type, choose the specific variable you want to test and keep it focused so the results are easier to understand. Continue through the setup by giving your experiment a clear name, selecting the campaign involved, and defining how the test should run. Once launched, you can monitor performance in the experiments section and use the results to guide future campaign decisions. Subscribe for more simple and practical Google Ads tutorials.